Hi, and welcome to CableFinder. In today's lesson, we're going to learn a little bit more about the nuts and bolts of CableFinder, specifically your user profile and some of the reporting capabilities. If we scroll over to the right and hover over your username, you will see three different choices. View Profile. Click on the View Profile. Once you click on View Profile, you'll see your name, first and last, your phone number, your email, the organization you're part of, and your username. The importance of this is that this is the information that populates on the quotes. So if you ever generate a quote, you'll see that this information pulls through as the created by on the CableFinder quotes page. Moving a little further, if you ever want to change your password, simply hover over your username, click Change Password, type in your old password, new password, and reconfirm with a save. You can always log out of CableFinder, and it is recommended you log out when finished. The next section we'll cover is your pricing quotes history. If you hover over searches and quotes, scroll past the multi-site, and go down to the pricing quotes history. Every opportunity that you've created a quote for or a contract for is stored here in your pricing quotes history. You can export to a CSV file if you're a sales manager looking to see what their team is doing. You can click on an individual to download the quote again to resend out. You can click on Price Quote in order to reprice the quote or change the services selected. Or you can click on Download Contract if you generated the contract to get the contract again. We wanted to show you what a manual request looks like. If at any time you search and an address comes back that's not in the top 5 cable companies' geographic territories, you will get a manual request. It looks a little like this. As you can see, the address in Homer, Alaska does not fall within Comcast, Spectrum, Cox, Altice, or WOW's current geographies. In this case, what you'd want to do is go ahead and use the Request Manual Pricing feature. You'll see that based on your profile, as talked about before, your email, phone number is already pre-populated. The street address you were searching along with the city, state, and zip, or unit number if available, is pre-populated. The requester name is your first and last name. Please fill in the customer name as well in order to keep track of the opportunity. You may select your provider, or in this case, it does not have the actual provider of this area, or you may be looking for a different provider. Type of service you're looking for, fiber or coax, or in this case, you may not know what type you're looking for. Fill in the notes with a description of what you're looking for, and then hit Submit Request. CableFinder has integrated chat right in the web page. This is great for if you do hit a manual request and you still have questions, or if you have any questions regarding assistance with the site, quotes, contracts, general questions, anything of the like. Simply select what type you have, type the question in, and start the chat. One of the CableFinder agents is standing by waiting to talk to you. And those are some of the ancillary features of CableFinder. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on our next video.